Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Huawei Health and confirming your watch is paired over Bluetooth. This ensures phone-to-watch transfers will work. Once paired, make sure the app has storage and photos permissions so you can send images. Next, tap the Device tab and select your watch. This is where watch face management lives. Begin by choosing Gallery or Watch faces inside the device screen. This gets you to the tool that will let you import or apply a wallpaper immediately. Now you pick or edit the wallpaper you want. You should crop to the watch's display size or use a centered square so important content isn't cut off. This prevents odd framing on round or rectangular models. Once the image is ready, choose Gallery, add Select Image in Huawei Health to import it. Use the app's preview and positioning tools to move, zoom, and lock the focal point. This ensures complications and time are legible and positioned, where you finish by tapping Apply or Sync to send the wallpaper to your Huawei watch. The app shows progress and confirms when done. If the image doesn't show immediately, make sure Bluetooth is stable and then reboot the watch. This often resolves display caching. If syncing repeatedly fails, confirm Huawei Health has storage and photo permissions, clear the app cache, and repair the device as a last resort. This sequence fixes most transfer issues and gets your new wallpaper displaying correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.